Hi everyone, this is Adi from Adi Scraps and Things. Today I will be teaching you how to make this very lovely and very simple moss stitch, also known as linen stitch or granite stitch. So go ahead and grab your hook and your yarn. Let's get started. Hello, welcome back. So like I said, we're going to be working on this very beautiful pattern, very beautiful design. This one is made with a very pretty variegated yarn, but you can make some beautiful designs by doing color blocking. If you don't know how to do color blocking, I'll just post a link to my video over here. Yeah, so this one I just turned into a little baby blanket for my youngest. And what I love about this is that it creates a very stretchy fabric. So you'll see like it stretches quite a lot in every direction. So much stretch. But it makes such a beautiful and simple and very soft design. So we're gonna go ahead and start with an even number of stitches. So for this example, I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna do 14 chain. And 14. All right, so we're going to start on the fourth chain from here, so from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth one is where I'm going to insert my first single crochet. And then from here I'm going to do a chain 1. I'm going to skip 1. And I'm going to make a single crochet onto the next stitch. And I'm going to do that until I get to the very end of the row. So skip, and then single crochet on the next. Chain 1, skip, single crochet on the next stitch. Now from here, I'm going to be doing a chain 2. Turn my work around. And I'm going to be going in the spaces left between the single crochets, just under those chains. Right there. I'm going to do a single crochet, chain 1, skip the single crochet here, and going between single crochets on the spaces under the chains. Chain 1, skip the single crochet, go between the spaces. So you're going to do that all the way through the row till you get to the end. Now the beauty about this is that at the end it does leave quite a big gap whenever we started with that chain 4. So we're going to go just there into the space. So I'm not going to go into a specific chain, and I'm just going to do a single crochet. And then again for the next row, chain 2, turn this over, and I skip that first single crochet and go into the spaces between the single crochets and do a chain 1. So again, very nice and simple. It's lovely for like, again, a very soft fabric. And if you know how to do your color changes well, they can create some very beautiful designs and variations. So that's it. Nice, simple moss stitch, or linen stitch, or granite stitch, whichever way you want to call it. It's still a very beautiful yet simple stitch design. So play around with it. Let me know what you're going to use it in. If you haven't, make sure you like our video and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.